Hi.
Hi.
What you got there?
This is the Starlink.
Okay, cool.
It's going to give us off-grid internet.
Fun.
So, looks like
fancy.
this is the dish.
Cool. Looks like a Tesla.
There's your cords.
This is it.
This is going to be like probably your
Something.
tower.
They're directions.
It wants you to scan this, get the app,
Okay.
and then go into all these details to figure out how to set it up.
Okay. All right. Well, let's give it a shot.
All right.
Welcome to American Roots.
Welcome to American Roots. One path at a time.
Hi everybody, first day back to the property. Marshall's up on the cat, putting some coolant in it. Just getting things started. We had a good storm last night, so checking out where some low spots are on the pad. That'll be Jessica's garden out there. Clean up these trees. This pad looks really good. I'm actually really happy with it. It's nice and solid. Seems level-ish. And then we have the other pad for the shipping container. So shipping container will be on this one, blocking the north wind. That's facing east. This is south. The house will be here on this pad. Looks great, other than that little divot right there, but it's fixable. And this is our new force multiplier with coffee. Nice. And before you shut it off, lower your bucket down. There goes Marshall. Send it to your mom.
What does this mean? You want to go home?
You in your bag. You in your bag.
Getting in the bag we use when we leave.
So this was manuals and seeds, cotton swabs, and fits perfect. So you can tighten it. There should be a little knob in the back.
Did you get that at the auction? Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty good score.
Those nice. And then you can lift up your face mask if you want.
No.
Well, if you wanted to like.
Skeeters.
It's not for skeeters. It's for wood chips.
Well, what are you doing? Rolling around trying to.
You want to try and start it?
They're original.
You should take it back to Phoenix so you can scrap it.
She a beauty.
Yeah, I'm
So this is your choke
I had to go to Holton.
on,
What Jessica said.
I had to rent it.
and then this won't stay there unless you
I didn't have the right tools. I had to
press the
rent
safety down and then let go of the trigger. So that's kind of your starting. That there and that there.
Yeah. I don't know.
Tomorrow. No, but I'm going to be working on it tomorrow.
Need the choke.